Over the past years, Siaya Bondo Water and Sanitation Company, Sibowasco, registered huge losses because of increased cases of vandalism, illegal connections, and corruption across the county. Upon deliberation by the Siaya Bondo Water and Sanitation Company in collaboration with the Kenya Water Police Unit, a need was identified to provide armed security to conduct a thorough inspection and investigate water pipes and meters to curb cases of illegal connections and vandalism.
We as a water police unit, we are being mandated to protect water critical infrastructure and support measures being undertaken to mitigate non-revenue water within the region. At the invitation of Sibowasco, we are in Siaya, and because they are losing 50% of their water, that is non-revenue water. We have been doing operation. This is our second week, and the big question we are asking ourselves is why Sibowasco is losing 50% of their water. We are establishing that because we have come to understand so many residents of this area, they have done water illegal connection and bypasses, vandalism, and water.
Director CP Siaya called for urgent need to address water losses within the distribution system, which currently stands at an alarming 50%.
Our non-revenue water currently is above the required benchmark of 25%. We are aware we are doing issues which can help us reduce the same. Issues of digital metering, and as to the public who are our dear consumers, they can also help us reduce the same. Number one, during the period like right now, we are doing meter reading. I'm aware that not every consumer is in their homesteads. We have communicated with our consumers over the same, and on get-locked cases, the consumers can even do the pictorials of their meter reading sent to us to enable us do the billing, to ensure that all our meters are read and billed. Because if a meter is not read, meaning that the consumer is consuming water and we are not billing, hence resulting to non-revenue water. We are aware of different platforms of communication to our consumers like WhatsApp, Facebook, and the rest. We also call upon our consumers to collaborate with us whenever there's a burst, or the entire citizens of Siaya County and the environs which we are serving. Whenever they see bursts and leakages, we have forms of communication. They can communicate to us to ensure improvement in our downtime hours by being responsive in addressing the same. And of course, currently, we are aware also there are even some of the consumers whose meters are even stuck. And for us to realize that, it calls for the collaboration of both parties so that we can ensure that whatever we are producing as a company is quantified towards ensuring that we reduce our non-revenue water.
Reducing non-revenue water is essential to improving operational efficiency, ensuring that more residents, both in urban and rural areas in Siaya County, receive clean and reliable water.
When it comes to the police officers that are working on these things, it is good unto us these days because one, they are trying to do some reinforcement over those people that are using the Sibo water without doing any registrations. So we are seeing that now those people that don't register for the Sibo water, they are all making all the mechanisms for them to register as members of Sibo.
The process was conducted at the customers' residences in their presence to warrant transparency and integrity, which is a core mandate of the company with regards to service provision.
Services malgi osebedo makare kendo osebedo kwayudo pi. Wamor kabisa kod visit maru, waneno ka nitie police officers mag pi ma bende gin osiepewa gibiro mar mondo mi gilim ka watiyo gi pi mayo makare kendo wadwa jiw ni ji duto te madwaro pi mondo rolo the right procedure mondo wayud pi maler mondo pi Sibo omed kakonyowa.
Meter testing and the subsequent replacement of faulty meters underscores Sibowasco's commitment to integrity and reliability in its operations, while also enhancing customer focus and justified satisfaction.
Agone jo Sibo erokamano nikech kane onge pi nwalawo pi mabor, notwomo mana pi yawo ma samoro yoro nyaka ogwandi. Koro naneno ni ber mondo adhi amany pi fridge. Gini osekonya, omiyo sani agone ofisa erokamano nikech en ng'at motimo maber, oritowa, orito pi kendo orito nyaka jok ma dibed ni kwalo pi kikwal pi mondo wayud pi.
I'm going to give the praise to Kenya Water Police Unit that has been bound for the last 1 week. It has been a very good exercise that we have done. With the cooperation, it was good. Since they came, the collection revenue improved, and there are so many things that have been done through them, and they made us improve our revenue. There are some illegal connections have been found. Like in my zone, I found around 3 which were harmonized before, and some of them were legalized. Majority came to the office.
The company continues to encourage customers to use water sparingly and pay for their actual consumption and embrace use of recommended water meters. Customers are equally encouraged to report any illegal incidents to the nearest Sibowasco offices or call 0715 50 0071 0715 50 0071. Brian Ayata, Directorate of Public Communication, Siaya County.